Google Maps not working on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Google Maps not working on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your mobile phone. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Security option. Now, tap on it and select Location Services. Make sure that you have enabled the location services. Scroll down and find the Google Maps app. Tap on it and mark a tick on Always. Also, make sure that the precise location is also enabled. Go back and find the General option. Then, tap on it and select the background app Refresh. Hit the toggle button to enable the Google Maps app. Next, open the Google Maps app. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. In the top right corner, tap on your profile. Scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings, scroll down and tap on About, Terms, and Privacy. Lastly, clear the application data to fix Google Maps not working on iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.